Hi guys, just filming 2 videos for YouTube and so many videos for TikTok, and I'm just uh, going towards my skincare routine for Sunday. So I thought share with you guys. So that's what the step I'm going to do. Why is my Sunday skincare routine is different from regular routine? Because I have a lot of time only on Sunday. Like I am only shooting videos on Sunday. I put makeup on Sunday, so I feel my skin really needs hydrates only on Sunday, because a lot of makeups and struggle and all that, and if I'm not putting makeup on, then also I have only time on Sunday, so that's why. So that's why the Sunday skincare routine is really different from any other day, and it's a long process. It's also affordable and it has few steps, so that's what I'm saying with you. So if you're interested in skincare videos, then please continue watching. First thing I'm gonna do is just removing this makeup with the help of cleansing milk. I'm using this Himalaya cleansing milk right now, currently. So I'm just taking this much, and what have you? Now I'm going to wash my face with water only, no face wash. This is what my face looks like after just washing my face with just water. It is completely removing makeup 90-95%. I have used waterproof mascara. That's why it's black here. Whereas mascara is also completely gone with this. This is the easiest way to remove wing makeup, I think. So yeah, and there is some stains here, but it's okay because face wash is still there. So I'm now using this Himalaya lemon face wash. You can use any one. I have used this much and just rubbing out. Just taking some water and then just lathering up really lightly. It is small beads in it, with just scrubbing my face really gently. I'm not using scrub at all, so it's a great way to wash your face with 2-in-1 face wash with scrub. You can see small beans right here. Okay, I will just wash with water, so it will more lathering up and removing all the things. Just wait. Yeah, just wash with water. So next step is toning. This is a Himalaya refreshing clarifying toner. I just love to use toner, so I'm just taking these onto the cotton pad and just rub it over on my face. I will show you how toner is really good for your skin. Just wait. Okay. Can you see this dirt? That's why toner is really important to your skin. Just see, my skin is already looking so hydrated. Just applying with toner. First of all, I'm just applying my lip balm because my lips is really drying out. So yeah, this one's from Himalaya in the lychee flavor. I just love this flavor. I just love this flavor. Yeah. It has no tint, but it's really quickly moisturizing lip balm. Okay, now I'll quickly put face pack on my face. I just really like to put face pack on my face. So I have these two face pack. One is from Oil Clear Mud face pack, and one is like refreshing fruit base. Both is from Himalaya. And yeah, this is from combination to oily skin, the mud one, and the fruit face pack is from normal to dry skin. Okay, so I have dry skin towards this area, so I will put this face mask only on this part, and I have oily skin, you can see acne prods and all skin, so I will put this face mask in this part area. So I will do multi-masking with these two face pack. So let's go. I like to put face mask with my fingers, that's why I put it. You can definitely use a face brush if you. I love to put face mask with my fingers. After 10 to 15 minutes, I am completely washing out with water, and further we are going to do next steps. So go. Wait for 10 to 15 minutes at least. Drawing. Now we just washed it for water. Just wash the water and come back to you. Fine. This is what the result after the face pack. Loving it. Okay, so next step to applying this peel off mask. This one is also from Himalaya Purifying Neem peel off mask. For why? It will deep cleansing your skin and remove all the black hands and white hands from the roots, so it's really important to use it. So let's go. Okay, these ones I will not applying with hands, so I'm using this brush and applying with this. Applying more near nose because black hands and white hands. So this is what my face looks like. It will peel all off after few minutes. Okay, I will remain this will 10 to 15 minutes, then just peeling off, so wait for it. You can see this all are drawing out. Oh, I can't talking with you guys. I can smile. Okay. So drawing out. Let's feel. One more thing I want to clearing out that charcoal face mask, peeler face mask, you can't put all over your face because it's so hard. But it's not so hard. It's in a medium, like medium hurting. So you can put all over your face, not only for nose. That's why I put it all over your face. Let's see. All my pores are clear. Love that. Somewhere product still remain. You have to damp your clothes and just wipe it out. So it will go really quickly. Okay. Now again you can use a toner. You can see my pores is almost deep cleans. You can see this redness and all this thing. I don't love this. Now I'm again applying lip balm because my lip is going down every time. This is final lip balm. Then I will applying this. This is the Himalaya Night Revitalizing Night Cream. It's so beyond. It smells so good. It's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. It's so light in texture, and it's, oh my god, and I'm feeling so good. I'm just massaging this cream. Really refreshing cream, I must say. I really like this cream. I'm using this Himalaya under eye cream. This is my first ever under eye cream and I love it. Okay, I'm just dotting little pump and just massaging with my tiny fingers because tiny fingers are so gentle towards your eye area. Massaging upward, different from C. So that's why I'm massaging really well to just absorb cream into skin. And for neck and all over my hands and body, I'm using this Himalaya body butter. It smells really good. You can see how much I use after the Himalaya haul, you can see. Because I really love this. And I'm just dipping my hands. Applying. It's so smells good. I love to apply daily. Okay, so that's it for it, guys. My skin just feel really hydrated and moisturized and deep cleans with these steps. I use these steps every Sunday, not daily, not every day, every Sunday only. So yeah, this is like a mini facial kind of thing for me. And if you can also use these steps in any brands, not a particular Himalaya. So be keeping in mind, it's an affordable brand, so that's why I'm using these products. Okay, if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. For subscribe, click here, and for watching more such my videos, click here.